Hello everyone, welcome to TechObro. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to set a blog publishing page. For that I need to log into my WordPress. From dashboard, go to appearance and click on customize. Click on WordPress default, homepage setting. Here I have post page. From here I'm going to select blog and publish it. Let's reload it. Now I have a post page called blog. Let's click on blog. So my post page is created here. This is how you can convert your post page into a blog page. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.